everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Apologies about that, I started to open it and then it came up, sorry, your phone storage is full. So, yeah, so this is a package that I got from Temu, but I've got so many different packages from them that have come up today. I've got about 5 sitting on my kitchen table, and, yeah, I don't know, I can't remember what's in what, but I could look at the track number on the back of this and match it to my order, but I'll just gather, we might as well just see what's in here. So there could be like diamond painting stuff, there could be not diamond painting stuff, because I really can't remember what I ordered in this. Yeah, it looks like there's a diamond painting in there, but they've wrapped it with something else, so that's good. So it's like past the parcel here. I think this is the one with the tray, I'm not sure, but that's quite nice of them. What they've done is they've put a painting with like an extra, like a separate package, so that's quite nice of them to do that. Okay, so this painting here is a little cute baby 20x21, and it was a fairly new one. I think it was on a pre-order, so I ordered this because one of my I think I got this one for free because one of my orders was late, so they gave me like a £5 credit, and I used it to get this, and this, my friends, is, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I love dragons, as you know, and I saw this and I thought, that is really lovely. The yellow on it's really cool. And this is 1 to 15 colours, and I just really was drawn to it by the yellow of it. As you can see here, we've got very vibrant yellow, and it's got mainly a yellow body here with a little hint of brown probably in there. But it's quite nice because it's like each section have got their segregated colours, you know. So that's quite a gorgeous one. It's a 20x20, and I really, really like that. So I thought that's coming home with me. I do quite a lot of dragons, so that's going to be really cool, and it's going to be really, really lovely to do. Then we've got our standard boat. So as you can see, standard boat there, and then we'll get into our drills. But yeah, I thought that would go very nicely with my other dragons. And I am getting quite fond of the 20x20s. I've worked with 30x40s for so many years, and then I sort of moved on to 30x30s, and then 20x20 I always thought was probably too small, but they seem to be really nice sizes. So in here we've got a purple, a black, a grey, an orange, a sort of darker grey there, and a yellow, and we've got a mustardy sort of green there with a peachy sort of colour, and then a brown, or actually I'd say that's an orange or a mango. And we've got a light brown, we've got a lovely dark blue, a brown, dark green, another brown, and a yellow. So looking at that, I don't think it's going to be that vibrant, because they're the sort of yellows, but I don't know, maybe. But that colour, the lighter colour, looks probably like that one. So that's the thing, the paintings will sometimes look really nice, but then the colour of the drills will spoil it a bit, because they're not the same as what's, you know, in the thing. Okay, so that's that one. So we'll put that over to one side for the minute. Now in here, there could be all sorts of things, because I can't remember what I ordered in here, but obviously it's got 4 on there, so as I said, it's just one of them packages. I do try to keep diamond painting stuff separated, but it's not always possible. So rather than open it up and then take these parts out that are not diamond paint related, I just figured, you know what, I'll show you anyway. So in here, oh my God, what is this? Oh yes, right, I know what this is. So this is some washi tape that I got. You won't believe how much this cost me. It must have been on a sale. I paid 7p for that. 7p. So in here, this is a rather groovy washi tape, because what this one is I'm trying to find the, wherever that seal thing is, so that I can I want to try and take that seal off if I can, but I can't. Oh. Feels like there's like a plastic seal or something. Yeah, there we go. But in this is actually, it's not the type of washi tape that I would normally go for, but it's basically a, it was like a, oh my God, this is really weird. But this is, I'm not going to unpeel that, but it's basically, it's a nice chunky roll for a whopping 7p. It's basically stamps from what I understand. But these are all in the shapes of leaves. So as you can see, you've got like Wish and then 1,000. But apparently they're supposed to be stamps. And if you look somewhere around here, you can see like the little segregated sort of holes there where it comes off. So I thought that would be really good for like flower paintings that we do. I don't really have flower washi tape, so I found that and I was like, that will go really nice with my flower washi tape. So I got that. Then I got, what is that? Oh right, yes. So I didn't really need this, but again, this item was a whopping 8p. There's some crazy stuff on there right now for like price wise, and I got this for my sister because obviously 8p is 8p, and I thought, you know what, I don't really need that, but I'm going to buy it just for the price. And what you do is if you've got like a light switch, so imagine like your square light switch is there. So for example, if I try and get this out carefully, that's our light switch. So for example, you would rest that, you would stick it above that. It's like a light sort of decoration sticker thing. So yeah, that's what you would do. And it does peel off, but I thought I'm going to give that to my sister. And it's got some butterflies as well. And it's a really lovely sticker because it's like she's blowing the fairies, the butterflies away. So for 8p, I thought that was a bargain, so I got that. The next thing I got, it was quite funny because this I got before Diamond Paints with Peta, and then I saw it on her channel and I was like, oh my god, I've got that. Me and Peta are very alike. And obviously on my craft channel, I do painting. So when I paint, I normally use like an old green diamond painting tray like this. So I normally use that. And I thought, do you know what? I need like a proper paint palette thing. But what this allows me to do, it's plastic. What this allows me to do is I can put various colours all going round in one palette thing, and then I can just wash that out and reuse it. So I thought that was really good. And I just thought that was like the perfect thing for when I do painting and stuff. So I got that. And then we have our fantastic, oh look, Temu are up to their little tricks again. Look, all bent again. Oh man, and look, it's my stainless steel one as well. Oh, Jesus. How bloody difficult is it to pack? You can't do this, Temu. Like, literally. Seriously, you can't do this. This is not acceptable. So this is going to have to go back. I've been waiting so long for this, and look at it. Absolutely wrinkled to smithereens, but I'm really gutted about this because this was that. Look, it's all screwed up. You can't be doing this, Temu. So you need to sort out your quality control, but this is supposed to be stainless steel. Now, quite bizarrely, when I got this, it was just showing the circle with the stainless steel. I wasn't aware that it had the white going around it. So what I might do, everyone's getting like stainless steel ones, and I thought this was really good. It's like a bee, but in this honeycomb sort of vibe. And what I thought I'd do is I'll cut this out, but I'm going to get in touch with them and get a refund for that, because that is not acceptable. This is now 2 times they've done that. You know, they just think that they can screw it up, and this is someone's artwork. You can't be doing this. So, you know, you need to sort this out. You can't just screw it up in the bag and just think, oh yeah, that'll be good. This is a painting, okay? When you diamond paint, it needs to be flat. You know, this is not acceptable. If they're going to keep doing this, then I'm going to shop elsewhere, because I can't keep having this. This is ridiculous. So, another one I've got to sort out for a return. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to try and... I mean, it's hard, because if they're just going to screw it up each time, some come flat, some don't. But this is really not acceptable. So they need to sort this stupid thing out, because it's really getting on my nerves with the way they keep thinking it's okay to scrunch it up in the bag. You can't do this. You know, once it's screwed up, the painting's wrecked. I mean, it doesn't matter how you iron it. You know, it's not going to be in the condition it was from the factory. So I'm not happy with this. This is terrible. So I will either send that back, or I will have to buy a new one, because this is ridiculous. But anyway, I'll move it on. I really like it, but this is not acceptable. So I will be having words with them. Then we got the little boat, and then we have in here we have got, look at this, wow. So in here we've got a white, another white, and a blue, and a dark blue. Look, even the jewels are a bit screwed up. A blue, a yellow, a brown. We've got a green and an orange and another brown, dark green, a blue, really lovely dark blue there, an orange, a green and a blue and a grey and a black and a purple. So really, really lovely there. So really, really good. I think that's all of it. Yeah, that's all of it. So yeah, so once again, let me know what your favourite is. I will be speaking to Temu about this because this keeps on happening, and it's going to put people off shopping with them because you can't do this. I mean, this one was packed perfectly, but you can't just screw it up just to, you know, your company decides not to charge postage, so you can't just screw it up thinking, oh yeah, that's okay. You know, you can't do that. You know, and I think Mim's House, who I watch on YouTube, she's had the same problem, very similar to that. It was proper bent, not from Temu, but from somewhere else, I think. But yeah, you can't be doing that. But let me know what's your favourite, guys. I will get off here and go to speak to Temu now, because I'm quite pissed off about that, to be fair. You know, the one painting I was looking forward to, and it's wrecked yet again. But yeah, this is now the second time, and you would think that they'd learn from their mistakes, but no, I'm going to have to think about going back to Fancels or Amazon, because this is not acceptable. It really isn't. You can't just keep screwing them up, and I will keep doing that. You know, I'm not affiliated with Temu. I don't get paid to do the videos from them, so I will always say negatives and positives with them. But they need to sort this out big time. But anyway, that's our time and painting haul. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time for another video. Until then, take care. Catch you later.